How to export messages from any iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. Once you're here, locate the message conversion and tap on it. Take screenshots of the conversation you want to export. Now, go back and open up the Messages Export application on your phone. This app allows you to combine multiple screenshots of a conversation into a single continuous image or PDF document. Once you are here, tap on the Stitch Screenshots option. You will be prompted to select Photos. Choose the screenshots you just took and tap the checkmark as shown to confirm. The app will now process and stitch the selected screenshots together into one long image. After stitching, tap on the Convert to PDF to create a PDF. On the next screen, enter a name for your PDF file in the provided field and tap on Create PDF. You can now see the newly created PDF in the app's history. Tap on it to open. To save the file, tap on the Export or Print button at the bottom of the screen. A pop-up will appear. Select the PDF format as shown. From the Share sheet, scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Choose a location on your iPhone and tap Save in the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily export messages from any iPhone.